After turning 60, you might not realize that poor circulation is silently affecting your energy, mood, and overall health. But what if the solution isn't a pill or intense workouts, but something as simple as a spoonful of the right seeds? Let's find out. As we get older, circulation becomes more important than ever. Yet, over 60% of people over 60 in the U.S. suffer from poor circulation without even knowing it. Today, we're going to talk about how small changes in your diet, especially with seeds and nuts, can make a huge difference in your energy and circulation. Stick around, because the last seed might already be in your pantry. 1. Walnuts. Let's start with walnuts, a powerhouse when it comes to boosting circulation and rebuilding muscle naturally. Even a small handful of walnuts each day can make a big difference in your blood flow, especially if you're over 60. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to help keep your blood vessels flexible and reduce inflammation. These healthy fats support smooth, steady circulation by helping your blood vessels stay dilated, which makes it easier for oxygen and nutrients to reach all parts of your body. In fact, research from Harvard shows that people who eat walnuts regularly lower their risk of heart disease by 32%. That's a pretty huge win, especially as we age. But it gets better. Walnuts are also rich in arginine, an amino acid your body uses to produce nitric oxide. This powerful compound helps relax and widen your blood vessels, promoting even better circulation. For men over 50, walnuts are particularly beneficial, as they can help with both heart health and intimacy. Adding walnuts to your diet is simple and delicious. You can sprinkle them on your morning yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or just enjoy them as a snack. If you want to make them even easier on your digestive system, try soaking them in warm water for 10 minutes. This process helps your body absorb more of the nutrients and makes them gentler on your stomach. 2. Almonds. Now, let's talk about almonds, small but mighty when it comes to supporting healthy circulation and rebuilding muscle naturally. Almonds are packed with magnesium, a mineral that's absolutely crucial for heart and vascular health. Magnesium plays a key role in regulating your heartbeat, keeping your blood pressure steady, and making sure your blood vessels stay strong and flexible. But here's the surprising part. Studies show that nearly 70% of people over 60 are magnesium deficient, which can put them at risk for poor circulation, leg cramps, and constant fatigue. That's a big deal. The good news is that just a small handful of almonds can give you more magnesium than an entire cup of spinach. So, if you've been dealing with cold hands or feet, dizziness when standing up, or dry skin, almonds could be your secret weapon. They're easy to add to your diet, and they offer so many benefits without any complicated routines. You can enjoy them raw, or soak them overnight to make them easier to digest and help your body absorb the nutrients more efficiently. For something a little more cozy, lightly toast them with a sprinkle of cinnamon for a heart-healthy treat. And if you need a natural energy boost in the morning, try pairing almonds with a little raw honey. No caffeine required. It's the perfect way to fuel your day and give your circulation a much-needed boost. 3. Pistachios. Let's dive into pistachios, one of the most delicious and surprisingly powerful snacks you can eat. If you're already a fan of these crunchy little nuts, you'll be happy to know they're more than just a tasty treat. Pistachios are packed with arginine, the same compound found in walnuts, which helps your body produce nitric oxide. This is crucial for improving blood flow and enhancing circulation. In fact, a study from the University of Pennsylvania revealed that adults who ate pistachios daily saw significant improvements in their vascular function and lower blood pressure. This is huge for anyone looking to maintain a healthy heart and improve circulation as they age. But that's not all. Pistachios are also packed with antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are fantastic for eye health. These powerful compounds protect your eyes from age-related damage, which means if you've been noticing blurry vision or feeling eye strain, pistachios could help sharpen your focus and protect your vision for the long run. To reap the full benefits, aim for about 20 to 30 shelled pistachios a day. They're easy to snack on, but you can also sprinkle them on oatmeal, toss them into a salad, or even mix them into your chamomile tea for a relaxing, heart-healthy boost. Want something a little more unique? Grind them into a paste with olive oil to make a Mediterranean-inspired spread. It's a delicious and creative way to support your heart and circulation while treating yourself to a tasty snack. By making small changes like this, you'll not only enjoy better circulation, but also stronger eye health as you age. 4. Hazelnuts. Let's talk about hazelnuts, a food you might associate with delicious desserts or chocolate spreads, but there's so much more than that. When it comes to boosting your circulation and supporting heart health, hazelnuts are a true powerhouse. These little nuts are packed with monounsaturated fats, which are great for lowering bad cholesterol, LDL, and improving overall blood flow. Studies have shown that people who regularly consume hazelnuts experience lower LDL levels and better circulation, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease over time. Hazelnuts are loaded with vitamin E, manganese, and powerful antioxidants that protect your blood vessels from oxidative stress, preventing plaque buildup that could slow down circulation. They also have incredible benefits for your brain health. As we age, supporting cognitive function becomes more important, and hazelnuts can play a crucial role in maintaining mental clarity and memory. If you've been noticing some brain fog or difficulty remembering things, adding hazelnuts to your daily routine could give you the boost you need. Incorporating hazelnuts into your diet is incredibly simple. You can lightly roast them for a satisfying snack, toss them into your oatmeal for added crunch, or get a little creative by blending them into a rich homemade hazelnut chocolate spread, without all the added sugar. If you're looking for something creamy, try making hazelnut milk, which is surprisingly easy to prepare. By adding hazelnuts to your meals, you're not just treating your taste buds, but also nourishing your heart, brain, and overall well-being. 5. Chia seeds. Let's dive into one of the most underrated superfoods out there, chia seeds. These tiny little seeds might seem unassuming, but they're packed with powerful nutrients that can work wonders for your circulation and overall health. Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, calcium, and phosphorus, all of which play crucial roles in keeping your blood vessels healthy and improving heart function. But what truly sets chia seeds apart is their incredible ability to absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. This means they can form a gel-like consistency that helps support hydration and maintain optimal blood flow, which is something many seniors struggle with. As we age, staying hydrated and maintaining healthy circulation becomes even more important. Studies show that incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet can help improve blood pressure, increase arterial elasticity, and enhance overall blood circulation. This is especially important for older adults who may face sluggish blood flow or even dehydration, which can cause everything from fatigue to more serious health issues. So, adding chia seeds to your diet could be a simple yet powerful way to help keep things flowing smoothly inside your body. Incorporating chia seeds into your routine is easy and versatile. You can start your day by adding 2 teaspoons to a glass of warm water or lemon water for a quick hydration boost. If you prefer smoothies or yogurt, simply stir them in for an extra nutrient-packed punch. Chia seeds also work wonders in porridge. And if you enjoy baking, they can be used as a plant-based egg substitute. Whether you're looking to improve your hydration, digestion, or circulation, chia seeds are a simple, affordable addition to your diet that can help you feel your best as you age. To wrap things up, these 5 seeds and nuts, walnuts, almonds, pistachios, hazelnuts, and chia seeds, are not just simple, natural foods. They're powerful tools to help improve circulation, boost energy, and support your overall health as you age. Whether you're dealing with cold hands and feet, feeling sluggish after meals, or even noticing a change in your mood, these foods can help you feel better and stay active longer. You don't have to make drastic changes. Just start small, and you'll start to notice the difference in how you feel. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button to show your support. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips on living your healthiest, most vibrant life as you age. We're here to help you take control of your health, one small change at a time. Stay vibrant and take care.